Welcome back to part 2 of Conscious Cooking and our collaboration with Covergirl and Sally Hansen. And now we're going to make a delicious vegan chocolate mud cake. And this is the perfect size serving because it feeds 2 people and you don't have to eat the whole cake. So now I'm going to show you how simple this is. You're just going to take the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients and just give it a good stir until everything's really well combined. Once it's combined, put it in your microwave and cook it for about a minute. If you like your cake to be a little bit more dry, you can always add another 15 seconds. Once your cake is cooked, take it out, garnish it with a dollop of vegan cream and add some fresh berries. Now I love this dessert because it's so quick and easy, and don't forget to share your creations with us again on social media.